Today I am going to teach you how to find 4-figure grid reference. In order to find 4-figure grid reference, we need two numbers. Eastings, in short we write ES, Northings, in short we write NS. Now the main important question is, what are Eastings and Northings? This is your topography map. Can you see one number 91, 92, 93, 94? In this way, this number is increasing towards east direction. This is known as eastings. And the other number you will see 73, 74, 75, 76 moving towards north, increasing towards north. This is known as northings. In 4-figure grid reference, we first write down the easting value and then northings value. I have taken 3 examples for you to explain. First, I will explain with the help of Bhatamal. I am taking you close to that grid. Bhatamal. We will see easting. It lies between 92 and 93. We take the previous one, 92 number. Northings, we see it lies between 76 and 77. So we take 76, the previous one. So its Bhatamal 4th figure will be 9276. 9276. In the same way, we take another example, Bantawala. Bantawala, I will take you to the grid. It is here, Bantawala. Now, first I want to see the easting. It lies between 99 and 100. 99 and 100. So we take the first 99. And the northing, it lies between the grade 78 and 79. So we take the previous one, 78. And we write like this. First easting 99 and then 78. In the same way, if the question is given to find out the 4-figure grid reference of spot height 271, same thing, we will take that grid where it is written 271, and then we see in which grid it is belonging between 96 to 97 and in northing 76 to 77. The first one we will take here 96 and from here 76, and thus we get 96, 76. Hope this 4-figure grid reference is clear to all of you. If you understood and it is fruitful for you, then please subscribe my channel and do like it.